The earliest extant coins of India were of silver, copper, gold, lead, silver. Ahat coin or Panchmark coin were earlier extant coin in India made up of silver. The marks on them were made by the stamps, so they are called as Ahat coins or Panchmark coins. 6th century BC. परद्योता, उदयन, प्रसेनजीत, अजातशत्रु, अजातशत्रु मगध हो जाएगा, अजातशत्रु मगध, प्रसेनजीत हो जाएगा। तो परद्योता हो जाएगा अवंती, उदयन हो जाएगा वत्स, प्रसेनजीत हो जाएगा कोशला, अजातशत्रु हो जाएगा मगध। The scripture revealed that the Payota was the king of Avanti, Udyan was the king of Vats Mahajanpad, Prasenjit was Koshla, and Avajashtra was the king of Magad. Question 3. Chand Pardyota was the ruler of which ancient republic? Koi Kashi, Avanti, Vajji, Ang, yani Avantika. Pardyota is the founder of dynasty Avanti. He is said to be son of Pulika, who is said to have killed his master Ujjain to make his son the king. Pardyota was contemporary of Buddha's Bimbisar and found his name in Magadha, a part of Vinaya Pitaka and Purans. He is said to have ruled for 23 years. Bimbisar sent his daughter Jivika to Pardyota for treatment of jaundice. Question number 4. What is the name of the ruler of Koshla in the Samundragupta's Paryag Prashasti? Shivagupta, Shameshwar Dev, Mahendra, Mahipal. Mahendra. What was the name of ruler of Koshla in the Samundragupta's Paryag Prashasti? Mahendra. The name of the ruler of Koshla, Mahendra, is the mention over the Samundragupta's Paryag Prashasti. Question number 5. The epigraphical evidence reveals that under the instruction of Nanda king, a canal was dug in Kalinga में. Hathi Gufa inscription indicate the Kalinga victory of the Nanda king Mahapadmanand. According to this king, Nanda took away the statue of King Jinsen and built a canal in Kalinga. Mahapadmanand, Hathi Gufa canal. Question number 6. What was the ancient name of Ujjain? Takshila, Avanti, Indraprasth, या none of the above. ये हो जाएगा अवंती. Ujjain, located in Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh, is considered as the ancient historical town of India. This was one of two capital of Avanti, which was among the 16 Mahajanpads. It is also known as Avantika. Question: so the following map shows the 16 Mahajanpads which exist in ancient India. तो ए बी सी डी, तो ए हो जाएगा तुम्हारा मत्स्य, बी हो जाएगा तुम्हारा अवंती, सी हो जाएगा अवत्सी वत्स और डी हो जाएगा अंग. ऑप्शन ए सो मत्स्य अवंती वत्स अंग. महाजनपद वाज लोकेटेड इन जौनपुर जयपुर रीजन ऑफ राजस्थान. मत्स्य राजस्थान. Viratnagar was its capital. Avanti Mahajanpad located in west and central region of Malwa. It had two parts, northern Avanti and southern Avanti. Modern Allahabad and Banda district consumed Vats Mahajanpad in ancient times. The capital was Kaushambi. Modern Bhagalpur and Munger district of Bihar were under the Anga Mahajanpad. The capital was Champa. Question number 8. Matsya Mahajanpad 6th century BC was located western UP, Rajasthan, Bundelkhand, रोहिलखंड. ये तो राजस्थान का हो जाएगा. मत्स्य राजस्थान. क्वेश्चन 1. The ancient city which is mentioned in the Mahabharata and Mahajanpad, Mahadamika, Karkot, Viratnagar, Vaid. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. The ancient city which is mentioned in the Mahabharata and Mahabhashya is Madhyamika, Nagari, Rajasthan, and the Viratnagar. Viratnagar was founded by King Virat. It was the capital of Matsya kingdom. Its history is found in both Mahabharata and Mahabhashya. Matsya king. Viratnagar. Ancient city which is mentioned. Question 9. The ancient city which is mentioned in the Mahabharata and Mahabhashya both. ये दोनों ए और सी दोनों हो जाएगा. मध्यमिका, नागरी और विराटनगर. Barai. Ancient city which is mentioned in the Mahabharata or Mahabharata is Rajasthan, and the Viratnagar. Viratnagar was founded by King Virat. It was the capital of Matsya King. Its history is found in both Mahabharata and Mahabharata. Who founded the Patliputra? Udayin. Patliputra was founded by Udayin, who was the successor of Ajatashatru. He built a fort of the confluence of Son and Ganga river. He shifted the capital of Magad Empire from Rajgir to Patliputra. He also capital of Shishunag dynasty, Nanda dynasty, and Maurya dynasty. Question of 11. Which ruler had made Patliputra capital of his empire for the first time? Udayan. Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya. Which ruler had made Patliputra the capital of his empire first time? Patliputra was established by Udayan, the ruler of Haryana dynasty, the confluence of Son and Ganga river to Patliputra. But Udayan is not mentioned in the above option. Here, Chandragupta Maurya will be correct answer. Who among the following king had founded Patliputra? Udayan. Question number 13. By which ruler Patliputra was chosen as the capital first time? Patliputra, Udayan. Question number 14. The legend of Udayan Vasvadatta is related to उज्जैन, माहिष्मती, मथुरा, कौशाम्बी. ये हो जाएगा उज्जैन. Legend of Udayan Vasvadatta is related to Ujjain. Great poet Bhas was described his story in his drama Savapnasavadattam, the love story of Vax King Udayan and Vasvadatta, the daughter of Avanti King Pradayota. The story is during the time when Udayan was imprisoned in Ujjaini. Pradayota King. Question number 15. In which country did the first Magadha Empire rise? 4th century BC, 2nd century, 6th century BC. Answer 544 BC में हरियांग डायनेस्टी आया. The first Magadha Empire flourished 6th century BC. The actual founder of the empire was King Bimbisar. Approximately 544-419 century BC. It was related to Haryana dynasty. Question number 16. Which one of the following was initially the most powerful city-state in India in the 6th century BC? Magadha. Magadha was the most powerful city in the early 6th century BC. It was one of the richest and most prosperous Mahajanpad among the others. Magadha had a long rivalry with Koshala, Anga, Kashi. They always struggled for supremacy. Question number 17. Which was the first capital of ancient Mahajanpad? Magadha. Magadha Rajgiri. Mahajanpad the first capital was Rajgiri, modern day. Was also known as Agriva. During the Satru capital was moved at Patliputra. Question number 18. Which one was not in earliest republic? The evidence of existence of lots of republic is found during the Buddha period. They were as follows: Sakya, Kapilvastu, Bhagya of Shashmati, Buli of Alaka, Kalam of Keshaputta, Kolya of Ramagama, Malla of Kushanara, Malla of Pava, Maurya of Papila, लिच्छवी ऑफ वैशाली, मिथिला. लिच्छवी हो जाएगा, शकिया भी हो जाएगा, युदैया भी हो जाएगा. सब की शकिया, लिच्छवी, युद्ध, ये शकिया और लिच्छवी होगा, यदु दया नहीं होगा. क्वेश्चन 19. By whom the first republic of the world was established in Vaishali? Lichavi. Lichavi dynasty of Vaishali established the first republic in the world. Vaishali took its name from King Vishal of the Mahabharata era. Vaishali is the great Buddhist pilgrims and also the birthplace of Lord Mahavira. Question number 20. Where was the first republic system of world during 6th century BC located? Vaishali. Question number 21. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? Parshvanath, बिंदुसार, स्कंदगुप्ता, चेटक, लिच्छवी. हमको लग रहा है डी ही सही होना चाहिए. पार्श्वनाथ तो ये जैन के 23rd तीर्थंकर आते ना. बिंदुसार, ये तो मगध के हर्यक डायनेस्टी के थे। अस्कंद गुप्ता, ये तो गुप्ता डायनेस्टी के थे। तो इसमें से पार्श्वनाथ 23rd तीर्थंकरा ऑफ जैन्स का था। बिंदुसार हर्यक डायनेस्टी के रूलर थे। अस्कंद गुप्ता, ये गुप्ता डायनेस्टी के रूलर थे। और चेटक, ये लिच्छवी, ये सही है डी। King Cheta was the emperor of Lichvi Republic. His daughter Chelana was married to Magad king Bimbishar. Lichvi was one of the clan of Union of Wazim. Question number 22. Which Buddha text has described 16 Mahajban for 6th century? ये अंगुत्तर निकाय और भगवती सूत्र जैन लिटरेचर. The 16 Mahajan for 6th century BC was described in the Buddhist text अंगुत्तर निकाय. Jain text भगवती सूत्र. There were as follows: Anga, Magada, Kashi, Koshila, Vaj, Malla, Chedi, Vatsh, Kuru, Panchal, Mat, Surishena, Ashmaka, Avanti, Gandhar, Kamboja. The list of 16 Mahajanpas also found in the Jain text Bhagavati Sutra. Question number 23. The list of 16 Mahajanpas available in Anguttara Nikaya, Bhagavati Sutra. Question number 24. Which one of the following Buddhist text describe the 16 Mahajanpas? Anguttara Nikaya. Buddhist बोल text बोले Anguttara Nikaya. और वैसे बोले कि which one of the following text describe the 16 Mahajanpas? अंगुत्तर निकाय, भगवती सूत्र दोनों होगा. और जैन टेक्स्ट बोले तो भगवती सूत्र. Question number 25. In which of the following text the list of the 16 great states Janpas in ancient India? Anguttara Nikaya, Bhagavati Sutra. Second, 4. Question number 16. 16 Janpads of the age of the Mahajanpads have often been mentioned in the Buddhist literature. Which of the following Janpads have been mentioned by Panini in his Astadhyayi? मगध, अश्मक, कंबोज. पनिनी अश्मक, मगध अश्मक कंबोज. मगध अश्मक कंबोज. मगध अश्मक कंबोज. मगध अश्मक कंबोज. 16 Janpads of age of Mahajanpads have been often been mentioned in the Buddhist literature. Which of the following Janpads have been mentioned by Panini in his Astadhyayi? Magad, Ashmak, Kamboj. Magad, Ashmak, Kamboj. Panini is known for his Sanskrit grammar. He is born in Pushkalavati, Gandhara. The Astadhyayi is one of the earliest known grammar of Sanskrit. The Astadhyayi consists of 40,000 sutras or rulers among 8 chapters, which are each subdivided into 4 sections of pads. Panini mentions as many as 22 different Janpads, but also mentions 3 most important provisions: Magad, Ashmak, Kamboj. Magad, Ashmak, Kamboj. Question number 27. The capital of North Panchal, according to Mahabharata, is located in North Panchal, in the Ahil Chhatra. North Panchal. The capital of North Panchal is Ahil Chhatra, and Kampilia was the capital of South Panchal. Hastinapur in the past was the capital of Kuru, while Mathura was the capital of Surishena. Hastinapur capital in the past, Hastinapur in the past capital of Kuru, in the past capital of Kuru, in the past, और हस्तिनापुर जो कैपिटल क्रू हो जाएगा. अहिल छत्रा कैपिटल ऑफ पंचाल, मथुरा कैपिटल ऑफ सुरसेना. क्वेश्चन 28. ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड मथुरा वाज द कैपिटल ऑफ सुरसेना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. विच द फॉलोइंग नोट करेक्ट मैच? कंबोज, रायपुर, हटक, अश्मक, पटनपट्टी, सुरसेना, कौशंबी, कोशला. कौशंबी, सुरसेना क्या था? मथुरा था. बाकी सब सही है. कोशला, श्रावस्ती सही है. अश्मक, पट्टली सही है. कंबोज, Sursena was an ancient Yadav ruler of Mathura. All other options are correctly matched. Champa was the capital of which Mahajanpads? ये वज्जी. Champa is the capital of Ang Mahajanpada. Sorry, Ang, sorry. Champa, Ang. It covered the modern district of Anger and Bhagalpur in Bihar. It was later annexed to Magad by Bimbishar. Magad was located on its west. Question number 31. In the 6th century BC, Shuktimati was the capital of पंचाल. नहीं होगा, कुरु नहीं हो. पंचाल का तो हो गया तुम्हारा अहिल छत्रा. कुरु का हो गया इंद्रप्रस्थ. अवंती का हो जाएगा तो चेदी रह गया. चेदी 6th century चेदी जो है लोकेटेड इन द चेदी का हो गया कैपिटल. शुक्तिमती. और अवंती का हो जाएगा उज्जैन, माहिष्मती. Question number 32. Mahajanpad situated on the bank of river Godavari was Avanti, Vats, Ashamakaya, Kamboj. ये Ashamakaya, Ashaka. According to the text, Angutar Nika and Jant Bhagavati Sutta, Ashaka or Ashamaka were located between Godavari and Narmada river in 6th century BC, whose capital was Potali, ancient name Pratisht. Godavari, Ashamaka. Question 13. Which one of the capital of Magad? Rajgiri. Rajgiri was the first capital of Magad, where first Buddhist council organized the Lord Mahavira was summoned first. According to Quran, the first dynasty ruler of Magad was Brihadranath dynasty. King Brihadranath Sanjarashang made Giriraj his capital. Later on, Uddayan son of Ajatasattu moved the capital of Patliputra. Question number 31. Which was the initial capital of Magad? Rajgiri. Question 35. Which one of the following was not the capital of Magad Empire? गिरिराज तो था ही, राजगिरा को ही बोला जाता है, पाटलिपुत्र कौशंबी ने था। ये कौशंबी किसका कैपिटल था? बताइए वत्स का। गिरिराज ये तो हो गया। क्वेश्चन 36. व्हाट इज द टाउन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ एंशिएंट श्रावस्ती? सर्कुलर, शीर्षेनिक, ट्रायंगुलर, क्वाड्रेटिक। तो ये शीर्षेनिक हो जाएगा। अलेक्जेंडर कनिंगम had identified the ancient Sravasti. The Sahet Mahet today Sravasti placed near Gonda in the Uttar Pradesh in 1861. It is known by the excavation that the configuration of Sravasti was in Sasiatic form. Which initial ruler of Magad king killed his father for Bimbishar? सॉरी अजातशत्रु ने अपने फादर को, फिर अजातशत्रु का बेटा। ठीक है। The ruler of Magad is Ajasatru. His father Bimbishar, the founder of Haryang dynasty, and sat on the throne. He was also killed by his son Udayan, different from the king. Question 38. What was the name of the dynasty of Ajasatru? Haryang dynasty. Ajasatru. Question 39. The prince who was the responsible for the death of his father? ये Ajasatru हो जाएगा। Question number 40. Power of Magad was extended over the Malwa region during the region of Shishunag. According to Matsya Puran, king of Magad, Shishunag, next Avanti. Malwa is empire by defeating Nandivardhan. Question 40. Which dynasty did rule over Magad after Nanda dynasty? After Nanda dynasty यानी धनानंद के बाद मौर्य dynasty. Nanda dynasty of Magad was founded after ending Shishunag dynasty. There were 9 kings in Nanda dynasty. Ogishen. Called Mahapadman in France, Panduk, Panduguti, Bhutpal, Rashtrapal, Govishank, Dashashidhak, Kaiward, Dhananand. During last years of Nanda dynasty, people become turbulent because of an imposing habit taxing small items by taking advantage of his Chandragupta Maurya. With the help of Chanakya killed Dhananand, established Maurya empire. Which inscription is the evidence of King Nanda? हाथी गुफा inscription वेला Roman type inscription Junagadh हाथी गुफा। अच्छा नंद King Nanda। अच्छा महापद्मानंद का था। Kharvela was the most glorious emperor of Chedi dynasty of the Kalinga. His हाथी गुफा inscription is a major source of the information. The engraving of the canal Kalinga by King Mahapadmanand is inscribed in the inscriptions. It is also the final inscription which tells about the engraving of the canals. It describes the donation of village to Jain monks. This inscription was also so that Kharvela defeated the 3 states, Chola, Chera and Pandyas of the south. Question of 43. Arrange the following Magad dynasty in the chronological order. तो सबसे पहले कौन आया? हरियंक आया। हरियंक के बाद आ गया नंदा। नंदा के बाद आ जाएगा मौर्य। मौर्य के बाद संगा। सबसे पहले हरियंक। हरियंक के बाद नंदा। नंदा के बाद मौर्य। मौर्य के बाद सुंगा। तो हरियंक का था 544 बीसी से 412 बीसी। नंदा का 344 से 321। देन मौर्य का 321 से 184। क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. विच किंग ऑफ मगध नोन एज अपरा पुरुष? ये महापद्मानंद को बोला जाता है। आफ्टर शिशुनाग डायनेस्टी द नंद डायनेस्टी स्टार्टेड रूलिंग मगध. महापद्मानंद Augustin was the founder of Nanda dynasty. He also called them. Question 45. Who was the founder of Nanda dynasty in Magad? Nanda Mahapadmanand. Question number 46. Read the statement A and B. कोई फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट द 6th century BC was a period of great religious and parts of the world। सही है। The Vedic religion had become very complex। ये भी सही है। Explanation: many religious sects came into existence across the Middle Ganga Valley, northern India during the 6th century BC, which had assumed a intellectual movement due to the emergence of many faiths and beliefs. The hermits following different faiths started preaching their thoughts and disclaiming each other philosophies. It should be noted during the time such type of intellectual movements was also found in other countries of the world. Confucius, Zarathustra, Pratyugrasha were the people of challenge the traditional in China, Iran and Greece. Question 47. Jivaka, the famous physician of the time of Mahatma Buddha, was associated with the court of ये बिम्बिसार के कोर्ट से थे। द फेमस हिस्टोरिकल फिजिशियन जीविका कंटेम्प्रेरी ऑफ लॉर्ड बुद्धा वाज रिलेटेड टू कोर्ट ऑफ बिम्बिसार। बिम्बिसार हैड सेंट जीविका टू स्टेट ऑफ अवंती किंग चंद्र प्रद्योता फॉर मेडिसिनल सर्विसेज। क्वेश्चन 48. द टाउन ऑफ कल्पी सिचुएटेड द बैंक ऑफ रिवर यमुना। द टाउन कल्पी सिचुएटेड द Jalan district of UP on the bank of river Yamuna. During the ancient period, it was famous as Kalpriya, which is later known as Kalpi. It is built during 4th century BC by King Vasudeva. कुरु का कैपिटल हो जाएगा इंद्रप्रस्थ। पंचाल का हो जाएगा एल छत्रा। कौशला का वत्स का कौशंबी। कौशला का साकेत। कुरु, इंद्रप्रस्थ, पंचाल, एल छत्रा, कौशला, साकेत, वत्स, कौशंबी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 को फिर मैच करना है। मत्स्य का हो जाएगा विराटनगर। कुरु का हो जाएगा तुम्हारा इंद्रप्रस्थ। सूर्यसेना का मथुरा। अश्मका का पोटन। मत्स्य विराटनगर, कुरु, इंद्रप्रस्थ, सूर्यसेना, मथुरा। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नोट करेक्टली मैच। अंग का चंपा, ये सही है। कौशला, वत्स, कौशंबी, मत्स्य, विराटनगर, बी ही गलत है। कौशला कैपिटल कौशला किंगडम वाज साकेत एंड श्रावस्ती। रेस्ट ऑफ द करेक्टली मैच। क्वेश्चन नंबर 52. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच। अंग चंपा, ये सही है। कौशला पंचाल का एल छत्रा है। वत्स कौशंबी, ये सही है। मत्स्य विराट। कौशला का हो जाएगा कहाँ, साकेत श्रीवस्ती। हु इज द किंग ऑफ कर्नाड डायनेस्टी। नंददेव। नंददेव फाउंडर था। लास्ट किंग बोल रहा है, लास्ट किंग हो जाएगा तुम्हारा हरिसिम्हा। द लास्ट रूलर ऑफ कर्नाड डायनेस्टी हरिसिम्हा देव। ही वॉज द ग्रेट पैट्रन ऑफ द आर्ट एंड लिटरेचर। ही वॉज द प्रो फाउंडर ऑफ पंजी सिस्टम। क्वेश्चन नंबर